Hello guys, today's video is about how to screen video record your Mac. So your Mac computer is able to do the screen recording, especially when you're demonstrating or something that you want to do that you need to record that screen on video screen recording. So what you have to do is go to your keyboard and then press the Command Shift and then 5, and then it will show you the crop and then this menu here on the bottom. This is the capture entire screen. You click this if you want to capture the entire screen, or if you want to capture the selected windows, or capture selected portion, or record entire screen, or record selected portion. And then there's options here. If you want to save the video recording, it says here if you want to save it to your desktop, to your documents or mail, messages, QuickTime Player, or other locations. And then there's a timer here also, but if you are going to record longer than 5 or 10 seconds, click the none. Do not select the 5-second or 10 seconds timer. And then the microphone, if you want to select, let's say you are demonstrating exactly in your screen, and then you have to choose which one is available in your desktop or your Mac computer. I have here the Yeti microphone, the Yeti stereo microphone, or Logitech StreamCam, or the built-in input. So I will select the Yeti stereo. And then option, show floating, thumbnail, remember, last selection, show mouse click. And then after you click everything, here as well, if you want to crop it there, you can do that as well. If you want to select the whole screen, or just there, if you want to record entire video, or just select the one that you want to select, or the portion that you want to do. And then once you select the whole thing, record entire screen, and then here you click this record here, click that, and then it will record. And then after you click the record, you will see there at the top right, and then there's a stop icon there, and then there's a play there. You see that hide friendly, you can go there, hide friendly streaming, or you click the stop icon. If you are done recording, you can do that there, and then it will show on the bottom right the one that you recorded, and then you can play this there. Then after you click the record, there on the right bottom there's a arrow where you want to share it. Click that. If you want to share it via mail or messages or AirDrop or notes or add to photo, and then if you need some more options, you can go there. And if you are not satisfied, or on the top right there's a icon here, you can edit this, or cut all the recording that you want to cut and throw away the one that you don't need. You can do that. And then, or you can revert it. Once you're done, you can click done, and if you are not satisfied, if you want to do the retake, you can delete this here. Click that delete if you're not satisfied. So that's how you video screen record in Mac computer. So if you like this video, please click the like button. Please subscribe on this channel and hit button so that you will get notified every time we upload our latest video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.